Your food is too corny. Why do you torture yourself like that? Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today I'm really happy to announce that I'm starting a new series called The People's Choice, and this is something where I'm going to answer questions that people ask me in the comments. I'll answer them in the comments and I'll make separate videos about them. So far there are 3 questions. Kanika asked, I would like to see what you eat in a day. Now, I am usually not so keen on sharing what I eat in a day because most people just directly assume that if a coach or a trainer is eating certain foods on a daily basis, you have to eat just the same foods. There's no such rule like that. All you need to do is eat the foods you enjoy and eat nutritious food and actually track your meals, because as long as you track your meals, then you're on your way to greatness when it comes to weight loss. So for example, if you don't track your meals, how would you know how much you're eating? So you would always track your bank account, you would track your payments, you would track your expenses, so you know how much you have at the end of the month or at the end of the quarter or the year. The same way you should absolutely track
your meals
and all the foods you consume if you really want to maintain your weight or lose your weight. And if you really want to learn why that's important, please watch this video about calories. I've heard that from so many people because they've asked me, hey, what do you eat in a day? I say I eat a lot of corn. And yeah, here's the proof. This is about 10. There's 8 more cobs in the fridge, and that's for my entire week. I eat about 3 to 4 of corn on the cobs every single day, and that's because I love them that much and I can eat them every single day for the rest of my life until the day I die. Now, how I track my meals, I pushed myself beyond my limits and it was really hard for me. I didn't bathe for 5 days. I didn't sleep for 3 days. I missed posting 1 video last week. I don't want that to happen again. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my
food forecast
for the day today, and I'll eat 1 meal on camera today, and I will also order something and eat that later on when it comes while I'm editing. This is my fitness pal. As you can see, I've logged in for
65 days in a row.
Now let me just go to my diary. I already input everything, so I'll just show you and I'll explain why and the reasoning behind it. I go to my diary. So my breakfast,
an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
so I always eat an apple. And actually I eat 2 apples every day. 1 at breakfast, 1 dinner. 1 apple, that's about 150 grams. And I love sweet stuff, so I love sugar. So that's about 3 teaspoons of sugar. Milk, I usually drink about 500 ml of milk every single day with my coffee. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, so I just put that in the breakfast tab. It's easy for me to check later on. And corn on the cob, like I showed you. I really love corn, and that's 2 corn in the morning. And I didn't have 2 Amul cheese. I had 1. I'll eat 1 and show you. Now, this is called food forecast. I have a cheese cube, Amul cheese cube. Let me just set my phone down and open this and eat it right in front of you to show you why calories matter. In less than 1 minute, I just consumed 70 calories worth of energy or food. But then I only had 1 in the morning with breakfast, so I'll just make this 2 again. So that's 140 calories, and that's done for the breakfast budget. So lunch, because I don't have time, everything's been haywire ever since what I did on week 8 of Document with Diamond. So this is a tuna sub that I'm going to order from Subway. I really love that, and I always take add-ons of tandoori mayo and barbecue sauce and tandoori chicken. So I just assume that it's about 100 grams, so I just put that down there. And I also have toasted bread with mozzarella cheese, extra mozzarella cheese and a cheese slice, so I put that down as 20 grams each, so 60 grams of cheese. I buy the chicken from Licious, and I don't really have the time right now to cook this. However, that's because of what I did for Document with Diamond episode 8. Because I did that, I did not have the time to cook my meals like I usually do, so I had to keep ordering from outside. That's the main reason I don't have time to cook this, so I will try my best to have it tonight. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss, tips and tricks on how to attain sustainable weight loss and how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Dinner, so I told you I love corn. So again, 2 corn on the cob. for tonight's dinner. The chicken that I showed you, this chicken I need to really cook this. I don't know if I'll have the time today because I have to record this and edit this and then post this. So I don't know if I have the time. However, if I do get the time, I will. So I just forecast the food for tonight. If I don't have time, I'll eat something else. I'll just leave it. So that's 330 calories extra for me. And another 2 cheese cubes because I love cheese. I really love cheese. So 2 more cheese cubes and 1 more apple and sugar because every time I have coffee I add sugar, so about 3 teaspoons. So it's all added and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. So MyFitnessPal helps you with everything here, so you don't have to worry about anything. And if you look at this, my goal for today for weight loss is 2243 calories. However, because of all the stuff I added and especially the tuna sub, which is really heavy, so the tuna sub, just the sub without any add-ons, is about 517 calories. So that's too much. So I went overboard by 472 calories, and that's okay once in a while, but not to be done every single day, because when you do something consistently, if you are in a consistent calorie deficit, you lose weight. If you're in a consistent calorie surplus, this is a calorie surplus, more than what I'm supposed to consume, so then I'll gain weight. But I'm not really concerned about it because of the really negative adverse effects I experienced. I was really lethargic. I almost burnt out. I almost got hospitalized again. So I am never going to do what I did again. So all I'm telling you is that you need to know that this is so easy and this is really effortless. Because for example, the first time you have to search, after that it's all in the history. So I go now, let's say I'm going to add something for lunch, and let's say I like to add chicken biryani, or I like to add noodles. So I'll just add the noodles, click on it. Let's say I weigh the noodles, it says 200 grams. So 2 into 100, and that's it. And just click the tick and you're done. So that's pretty much it. If you want to remove something, press, hold, delete. Where is it? Yeah, press, hold and delete. That's it. The reason that I don't like to share what I eat on a daily basis is because people think that's what they're supposed to eat as well, but that's totally wrong. Everybody's nutrition is supposed to be tailor-made for them. So example, I love corn. I can eat corn every day and it has a lot of nutrients. So I eat corn every single day. So that's what you should do as well. You should eat something that you love to eat and that you won't feel is a burden for you to eat, because most of these they tell you not to eat certain foods or tell you to eat certain foods. Maybe you like those foods, maybe you don't like those foods, and that
is really
bad. So you don't want to do that. What you need to do is eat the foods you like in moderation. Track your calories, track your macros, very important for weight loss. And once you do this consistently, you will absolutely lose weight. That's the secret sauce. You don't need anything else. Alright, so I had to take my makeup off before coming to eat this. So now it's time to dig in. What I just had was 900 something calories and I'm happy. I don't care. For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text on WhatsApp, or send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we'll take it ahead from there. And I'll also put these details down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one.